Get back. Get back. Down, Terrence. What is up, y'all? Hi, West here on a beautiful Saturday morning. I'm out here about to ride the bike. So I just got a few teeth yanked out my face the other day. And I know from experience that if I try to put this helmet on, my normal helmet, it's going to be squeezing my face, my teeth. I already have a little pain. I already laid off the 800 ibuprofen. Been trying to take them less and less, and I can feel it. So at least I'm sensitive to it right now. The swelling's gone down, but the pain's still there a little bit. Got a big hole in the back of my jaw.
I've got a question. How much was the one?
My neighbor just wanted to know where I got this bike. I told him I got it off of Amazon. It's called a DB14. They have a smaller one called a DB10 and a larger one, the DB14. This one's the X Pro DB14. He wanted to know how much it cost. You can get one of these. Actually, the most I've seen them for is $9.50. But I got mine for the low, right when they just put out a new batch back in 2020. Anyway, my jaw's all swollen. Well, the swelling's gone down, but the pain is still there, so I'm sensitive to it. So I'm going to be wearing this larger helmet today, and I'm just going to be playing around on a little bike. Earlier today when I was bringing out the Hawk, I hit my shin. I was jumping over a box and I hit my shin on the back of the kickstand. Got an instant knot and a bruise. It's small, but it hurt. Pain is starting to go away. So I got some cloth shin guards on, knee guards. I've never had any situations on this DB14 except for maybe hitting my shins on something. So a helmet, some gloves, some shin guards, some boots. Just some work boots, and I'm good to go. This helmet is huge, and it feels awkward. It's the first one I got. I'll have to clean this off. I was oiling the chain and filling up the tires, and I got some oil on the seat. Oil and clean the seat, the leather, the false leather. Alright, so this is my son's bike now, but he's sleeping. Up for choke on. This one likes me to crank the throttle a couple times before I try to start it. Let's see if it'll start on the first kick. Time for some fun. Get back. Get back. Down, Terrence. DB14, baby. I can't scream. I might blow my stitches out. Pool's not open yet. I don't know if I can get through. There's some cars down there. I can only get them down here. Nice Beamer. I see you getting it together. Be rolling, baby.